this morning.
Right.
We say good morning to all the dads and moms, students going to school today. Well, it's a Monday.
Yes.
Sampai karena beto matsuko na matagdi kuwa. We also say Mbulubenaka and welcome to Outs Palang Show. All the listeners tuning in from the other side of the world.
Okay.
Nabi saya berburu na matagdi kuwa.
To Barefoot Manta, not forgetting Valikuro, Kitchen Hen. Rusi na boy ni Kandavu na staff man na Barefoot Manta, Lexeru.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this morning. City Ben Indalay and also to the LT 7754 and also the passengers. Thank you very much for joining this morning to X. Not forgetting Prasad Jamina.
Oi.
This is from Germany.
Yeah.
Nemesio Samuela Tuimbengo Tavalengo.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning. And also
to
the Indonaore.
Who?
Nanito Mono na bus. Malnivo sa Dolati. To Matanitikina from Nairai, the fella from Natoloa. This morning.
Ano ba kasamu?
Ano na karataw atu good morning Demesi. Good morning to all the people tuning in from TikTok Live of VTFM.
Right.
YouTube channel of VTFM.
Right.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
You two are talking about one team from Bonolia with the Pusiloa. Okay, wala ka ba rutalo-tang man na timingo? Limber ng tuso yo.
The Pusiloa to all of you viewers is different.
The Pusiloa, the badge like this, the monogram is anaconda.
Lao.
Sa akin dui. Okay.
One of the time they come from Bonolia to come and meet the Nandronga team.
Oi.
They represent the Kaundrabe team.
Yeah.
The Pusiloa.
The Black Cat.
So the team is on today, still on today or what?
One of the time I was hearing the story about the coming to Nandronga.
Yeah.
And one of the time I met one Dreus from Nosori.
Yeah.
He was there, this Dreus.
Yeah.
And this Dreus asked me, hey, where are you from? And I told him, I'm
from the Pusiloa.
I'm from Paturova.
Yeah.
And he said, hey, have you remember the Pusiloa team?
Yeah.
Yo, this a team from our place.
Yeah.
And he said, hey, that team
came
to our village. They camped there for the game with Nandronga.
Oi.
That's far.
Ano na, we came in former place di Pusiloa. Oni samat suka mana matagani kwa.
You one day you represent the Pusiloa?
No.
Okay, tuko na manda weekenda. Nadaba yadana kin na Pusiloa. Why do they call the team Pusiloa?
Maybe they are Manu.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Manu is the pussy.
Oh, Naruto Munman.
Yeah.
Oh.
Loa?
Black pussy.
Oh,
Okay, yadana Pusiloa. Yeah. Okay, wana. Ya, porque menino cadê na Italo lá di Pusiloa? Lever borong sudah matagni kuah. Ndo ga Inggris mo bigito, tukun chuba ko ndo talangan na darongo. Peg di Pusiloa na darongo na.
Yeah, this one is a song.
Kandibuka.
Casa Kandibuka.
Oh, this fella is dangerous.
Yeah, most Kamba knows him very well. LT4517, the American taxi is and the story. One of the famous fella in the Pusiloa was Casa Kandibuka Senior.
Sajena. Sudah kena serek. We can do kata nama tadi. Okay. Our program this morning will focus on the cat family.
Okay.
Nabu Libusi.
Oh.
Hey!
Say good morning to Tajim, Napana and also to Sunday. They are now in the home. They are represent. They are not representing. They are coming to Sabubungali Televu, and especially to Tukay Samu. Tukay Samuela Nasese from Sabubungali Televu, the 59th birthday this afternoon.
Okay.
Good morning to Meme. Tuning in from Sydney. From Sydney. From Australia.
Okay.
I like to Jossa, Lely and Fabi. They tuning in from Sabu Hospital.
Oh, Julum.
And Pauline tuning in from Nandi.
From the north. Okay. Dems. Nababuba Libusingo. Na cheetah.
The cheetah is the fastest animal due to the radar. Ngona Misini. The fastest animal, any black spot. Black spot and wide in length. So he is the fastest animal in the earth. Described by the people who Senilo.
Hero.
Basumbai. Yeah. There is a fastest animal, not only on the earth, on the tree up on
Atmosphere.
top. Atmosphere is a man.
Okay.
Come.
What about Puma?
Puma.
What about Libusingo?
Yeah.
The same family.
Family of the Pussycat.
Santina.
Yeah.
There belongs to Argentina team.
Right.
The Puma.
Yeah.
The Puma is a kind of animal that fat enough
Yeah.
from the cheetah.
Right.
He's not fast
Yeah.
as a cheetah.
Yeah.
But he is a stronger
Yeah.
as a cheetah.
Jaguar.
Jaguar
Yeah.
is a different kind of color.
Yeah.
Amay winumbu
Jaguar.
rokongira.
Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Yeah.
He's a different kind. Some of them they got toxic eyes.
Oi.
Wanga na matanda.
Right.
So when they about to receive a prey,
Medal.
medal goro without leaving. They about to run onwards.
Yeah.
They're very strong enough.
Yeah.
They're very
They-
big.
They're very big.
Jaguar.
The Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Yeah.
And I remember the Jaguar.
Yeah.
One of my cousin brother in the village.
Is a Jaguar.
One of our grandfather named him. You
Ah.
Jaguar.
Oi.
Huh?
You know why I name you Jaguar?
Yeah.
Because Jaguar is when you see the Jaguar.
It's a black panties.
Reraki.
Yeah.
The eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And big.
Right.
Rere.
The coach and the manager of the Tambandamu team, Salai Junior Bolelai. Yana binaka.
Okay, tapi talo tak sungon nabi talo ni bu bali di bush ya.
Alright.
Saud cara Jaguar.
Okay.
Leopard.
Leopard.
Yeah.
Leopard is a very long
Tail.
fingernails.
Yeah.
Leopard is a long fingernails.
Yeah.
He's look like a jaguar in the face.
Right.
But
Kira
they
family
got
chico.
yeah the black spot is different.
Yeah.
And the eyes.
Right.
He got a eyes like a microscopic envelope.
Different.
Yeah.
It's far away.
Yeah.
He can catch a small, tiny object in a certain space.
Iya.
Yeah.
Di nasa. Kau untuk okay, kau untuk kamu talang kau.
He's a trim climber. He's a tree climber. When he want to test about the bed,
Yeah.
sometimes they take the prey, they go up in the tree.
Iya, di nasa.
Because he don't want to share. He is a very
Yeah.
hot with
Selfish.
Yeah. Hot with.
Iya. Okay,
Yeah,
from
come.
the leopard we go to the lion.
The lion, they say is a jungle
Yeah.
king.
Jungle
Yeah.
King.
The king of the jungle.
Jagli murgi.
Jalgi murgi goratoa. So from there,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
they got a male,
Iya.
they got a female.
Right.
The difference about the male and the female is this:
Yeah.
they got the hair on the esophagus.
Iya.
Unda mon rai pa uluna. They got the hair and ulu
Pakai background.
crown.
Iya.
But people now
Yeah.
are still asking themselves
Yeah.
why they name the lion is a jungle king.
Iya.
Because they have another one.
Yeah.
Not the family of the cat.
Iya.
Family of the pig.
Iya.
The
Lion King.
Huh? Something talagor na vina.
Iya. Tiger.
Tiger.
Iya.
Tiger. One of our tiger is missing from today. Is Mikael and Garombula the tiger. The tiger is a very strong animal.
Iya.
They can climb.
Iya.
They can fight
Jump.
against the prey.
Yeah.
They can jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yeah.
Sometimes,
Yeah.
when they fall from the tree,
Yeah.
they're not even broken bones from
Yeah.
them because they got a sparrow bounce.
Iya. Speta ya.
Speta yang gor na bandingi. Yeah.
Okay,
They're
okay.
very bouncy ball.
Iya.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know why this morning your tongue is very kicking.
Yeah.
Why, you know what? This morning when Tajim reached the home,
Yeah.
this morning like at 2 a.m. this morning,
Yeah.
we come you lost one simulation. They still continue the peep outside. The van, I said, who's that?
Yeah.
No, the van is coming to carry me. Okay, thank you. Ciao, boy. They said, okay, stay back.
Yeah.
We continue till 7. I said, I already received one letter from January.
You should be like a tiger.
Huh?
You should be like a lion.
Sometime we about to be the lion, sometime we about to see the tiger.
The lion
Huh?
can go back.
Huh?
Can go back when they say you stay.
Iya.
Try to be a lion. Stay.
Ya.
Yeah.
Don't worry about the letter.
The letter. What about the ink and the stem?
Okay, last one.
Come.
The domestic cat.
Domestic cat is
Yeah.
coming from the domestic duties.
Who told you
That's
that?
domestic
Who told you
cat
that?
is the one who raised inside the house.
Right. Iya.
When you see the
Yeah.
domestic, they are very humble in life.
Right.
They are very quick thinker.
Iya.
They can use their 5 cents
Iya.
in their lives.
Iya.
But don't ever allow him
Iya.
stay alone in the house.
To dictate your...
He will dictate your another one, hello?
Yeah.
Hemoglobin.
Yeah. He's got the power.
He got the power.
Yeah.
When the power is with them,
Yeah.
you'll see the pot will empty.
Right.
He will take the stone from the pot.
Yeah.
He will taste the pot before you taste. Especially to us men when we go to grogging.
Yeah.
They'll open the cupboard.
Yeah.
But they hide
Yeah.
everything from us.
Right.
That's a domestic
Dorbo benak. Iko ni sinre tentang nabu si memati tungai vale.
Iya,
Irna bunita kan rasa baru leng.
Iya.
Kado padir lo makina. Iya.
And not only when they're about to die.
Iya.
Yeah.
Also, after eating,
Iya.
they hide and they dig a post.
Iya.
They put inside.
Iya.
For when they put it,
Iya.
you know, they are very chromosome.
Okay, ocho singango.
Okay, sa may uto
Di
tindi
tau
na.
tunru endo na puselewa.
Oh.
Ndo tunru tana puselewa kan do bagari taka mo kan ndo mo no na rudunru.
Yeah.
Ena tang. Tang man tana puselewa ni tunru demesi na matari ko.
This is take a time.
Yeah.
They got a level
Iya.
of angry.
Iya. Oi.
Tutundi nango.
Iya. Baka level tu na dunan rudunru.
Okay, start from the level 1.
Level 1 ni ndrendre churon dola na kuro.
Gori.
Dun roko ini salah ko may pakasuryo kiri tuki. Dun roko ya, nirto mbuti sa suka na lubiana. Ocho singan tengo. Dun roko ya nirto pasu sate ko na lubiana nirto be sudu ni be mote.
Rai bangko ko rai di dedi. Sewa wale tu nggak sari di norto tadi siapa sih mai? Sebenarnya kan. Ya sano, orang tangan tahu masa. Mereka kamera sento tata apa? Minamala busara, mula tala mutang iba po si mutang punches. Minamala punches celebrating 90 days this morning.
Yeah, thank
it's
you so much.
7:45, it's 15:02.
Yeah.
8.
Woo.
Oh, way! You laziness!
Tadi gue.
Mikel Engolombula.
You lazy bus.
Yeah, you lazy bus. Sa inirokula ang rabinang ambuna.
Iya.
Roy Litinay ang rabinang tinayos ngo?
Hah?
Tinayos kayo ni sabuda. So nata ni Koro.
Iya.
Busi ang nambuli kan tamugur. Hey, ang rabinang kaubu. Mil na nila kayo no, ang rabinang ako. Ali Simbulowo. And also to everybody, you know.
Yeah.
It's very hard to hear a voice from someone's
Gori.
animal.
Sale. Binakwale bubusi.
Iya.
Busi na daw.
Thank
Saya
you
ada
so
apa
much.
pala busi?
Iyo.
Iya.
Weh. Sosra.
Mata ka turun kita.
Omani busi Willy bona busi si seng.
Ode.
Omani
Eh,
busi.
Willy.
Iya, ortu gula ta na bola chuko may merto na tarun kina.
Iya.
Siya mongus ko ya dote na nabubali.
Isang niyada ni busi,
Iya.
na busi, mani busi.
Iya. Gor bikin tu.
Kaya pakai manilenda, kasi ni manilenda,
Iya.
kaya daw niyaw, balsala ko kinamani. Iya.
Iya.
Yan na pinakasya ng bola takiw. Teta. Doyan ran.
Terbaru tengah bi McLaren.
Iya.
Siamo chiko Islandi.
Iya.
Kata kita bi Tuxa. O endo ko Nightcrawler.
Who
Nightcrawler.
them?
Ndo buat tol tengah main nama tak.
Ya, ada pernah kena krola.
Or tulo ni alen boy bakatan kina bi meme.
Iya.
Arto sa ba bol tengah sa toka talon kay busi.
Iya.
Era mata ka ni kuam.
Iya.
Johnson Robesi.
Lewasay.
Oh, yanre. Ori si mata tulung korto nagigigor ko may balot John. Kami lingyo ni para.
Bol mata la bi di Italia bakatan kina bi lo
Awadi.
Andreu. Yo Roxy.
Oh, who's this?
Ada pernah.
Roxy. Oh, ouch mama.
Oh,
Yan,
yan na talingo. Yan na Jen Anil. Ben Bonombati na duro no dorewa. Alolo mambimbitian.
Yan,
Isa
benar.
kita makito sa daba.
Pinaka-
Ngay hataka like taka ngay always nice buda be Joe na pangatini. Nama do to apau. Nadama bu pau.
Hey.
Koremli.
Hey, bernidar.
Mai.
Sakare te como yo tadi to o Paula nambuta.
Iya.
Me botei que de berna nasi WM bolimbola.
Oh, dong bulan mai balimbula. Toto ka ba ke mundo.
Iya.
Bulan-bulan benda no mundo matan idula. Napa kali? Aku saya tengok ku PCHM.
Iya.
Thomas Kautia, kita usara ba? Ngai hata kasyata kanon talay be nama takka binangani ko na
Alright.
takani.
Kurumundo ko.
Turun tani go.
Engko ndemi so nutal sa kurbutu.